Let's learn what is the Snapchat friend limit. Like other social media platforms, the purpose of Snapchat is to connect with your friends by sharing pictures and videos and viewing your friends' snaps. However, you can't have an unlimited number of friends on Snapchat. So what is the actual limit of friends that you can add, and how to fix it? So when I open a web browser and go on Snapchat support, you can see they have support article on troubleshooting adding friends. You can see under the number 3 and 4 that the Snapchat have a limit to how many friends you can have. They said it's a lot, but they don't say to us exactly number. Also they said is that if you reach a limit you can't add more friends, but you can remove your old friend to make a room for new ones. There also say to have a limit when you added a friend too quickly, which says that there is have a limit on how quickly you can add friends. If you reach limit, try again later. That is all said by troubleshooting article of Snapchat. But I found one information of quick answer for that question. It says that you can add around 100 and 130 friends in one day. If you add more than that, just simply wait one day to Snapchat restart a number of how many you can add and try again in next day. The overall friends limit on Snapchat is 6,000 at a time, which you'll agree is a considerable number. It's worth noting that Snapchat doesn't have a limit on how many people can add you. So if you want to add more friends on Snapchat, but you are reached a limit, then you can always open the app and go on your old friends you don't want to have on Snapchat and go long press on his avatar. Then that open a side menu on which you need to click on Manage Friendship option and go to Remove Friends to make a space for new one. And confirm that you want to do that, and after that add a new friend and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.